Hey, what's up everybody? This is Dr. Tech Cardio back with another unboxing video for you guys. So today we're going to be unboxing the Nokia Body Cardio, which is their highest end scale. It's a Wi-Fi smart scale actually. And this one I ordered in the mail a few days ago online, and it just came in today. Just got home from work and I figured we'd do an unboxing of it. So here is the scale. Pretty heavy. It's a pretty heavy scale actually. And just get out of this one, out of this bag. Alright, so this scale is actually, like I said, it's a smart scale. So it measures a little more than just your weight. It actually measures, also measures your BMI. It measures your heart rate, your body water composition. It gives you like the weather. It measures your muscle mass, your body fat, your bone mass, and it also tracks your weight. Obviously, it's a smart scale. It tracks your weight, and it syncs it with the Withings Health Me app. And Withings actually sold their brand to Nokia a few years back. Nokia's been running with it for a while, but it seems like they they weren't doing too well of a job, so they resold the name back to Withings. So this is the Nokia one. Literally, the company switched over a few months ago, so a lot of the paperwork and the names haven't changed yet. But this is the Nokia one, and it's the same thing as the current Withings one they sell online, except they'll say Withings instead of Nokia. And like I said, they have 3 models of scales, and this is the highest end, so it does a little more than the other 2 do. And here, yeah, so let's just go into the unboxing. Let's just, rip this tape off. Okay. Just open this. And it's pretty, like I said, it's pretty heavy. Pretty heavy scale. Yeah. But yeah, anyway, so this is the front of the box. I got the white one. And, it's a clear white, and it's got some like off-white lines that go across with a chrome bar that goes right down the middle. And this is the box, the back of it. It gives you just information about the scale and some features about it. But yeah, let's just put this aside. And this is the actual box of it. And it's a plain old box, white box with a nice little handle to it, and it says Nokia, in big bold letters right across the front. So this here, we have to open this one as well. Let's grab the knife. Alright. Yeah, it's a pretty sharp knife, so that does a good job. Alright, and now let's open this here. This one in front. And wow, there it is. It's a beautiful scale, I must say. Alright, let's put this box aside for a second, and let's just take a look at the scale. So here's a scale in all its glory. It's got this, it's wrapped in another plastic wrap actually, and yeah, here it is. It's just the white. It comes in a black as well. I believe it's a black or it's in a navy. I'm not sure. I'll post that later on. This is the back of it. Alright, let's take it out of this plastic real quick and see what's inside. Alright, cool. Oh gosh, this thing is heavy. Alright, so putting that aside, here's a scale. Alright, you see here, it's nice white. It's got the lines that go across. It's almost like an off-white or a beige lines that go across. It's nice, almost like a 2 or 3 by 2 inch screen, black screen. Let's turn that on real quick. Oh. And it says Health Mate. What does it say? Healthapp.nokia.com. I guess that's the website they want you to go to download the app. But I already have the app on my phone because I have the Nokia Steel watch here, and this one here I bought online as well, and it's a hybrid watch, so it looks like a real watch, but it has some smart features to it where it measures your steps and it measures your sleep cycle and your sleep length and everything like that, and it gives you a nice breakdown on the health app. So that's why I got it, because I wanted all my fitness stuff to be in one in one app, and I just wanted to keep it all together and the same. But yeah, enough of that. So going through, just looking at the build quality of this thing, it's built really well. Like I said, for it's $149, $150. So if you're paying that much, it should be built this nicely. So it's got about a quarter of an inch of glass on top, with another about quarter of an inch, like an aluminum frame on the bottom. Yeah, it kind of looks like reminds me kind of like a MacBook actually. Um, it's got the 4 screws on each side. It has what looks like 3 dots here, and then it says Body Cardio across the back, right here, and yeah, just looking all around. There is a power button on the right side of the scale, and also a micro USB port, which you use to charge the scale. I believe you charge it once every 6 or 7 months. I'm not sure. Again, I'll put that information up on the review of the scale probably next week. I'm going to use this for about a week and give an honest opinion of how it is and how it functions for you guys. But yeah, for now, if you guys actually have any questions or any features you guys want me to test about it, just leave that in a question below. And also, please give me a thumbs up if you like this video and if you want more videos like this. Like I said, I'm going to try to, whatever technology, stuff I get my hands on, I'm going to try to post and do unboxings and also follow up reviews on it. But yeah, so for now, this is the app. This is the Nokia Cardio Body Cardio scale. It runs you $149.95 on the Withings website. And yeah, so please give me a thumbs up if you like, and also subscribe and tell your friends. And I'll get back to you guys in about a week with the review of this thing. Alright guys, thank you so much. Take care. Peace.